This is the sign for hot. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Make this hand shape right here, kind of like you're going to catch a ball. Not a claw, but just a loose hand shape right there. Okay, take it, turn it in, and put it up over your mouth, kind of like a muzzle. Now, we're not actually touching, just get close, and we're going to go like this. Okay, you can open your mouth kind of to show the temperature, something, whoo, it's hot. Okay, so we start in and we just flick it out. We turn it out. Okay, hot. From the side, hot. From the other side, hot. From the front again. Okay, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, so remember the hand shapes like this, like you're going to catch something. Put it in your front of your mouth. Just turn it out. Same time, have like this, ha, like it's a hot something in your mouth. Okay, we just talked about the sign for hot. Here is the sign for cold. Pretty straightforward. Okay, the hand shapes are going to be the same. We're going to use S's, all right, from the alphabet. How do we make an S? Well, just make a fist, put your thumbs in front. Now put your fist about here, they're facing towards each other, and just shiver, like pretend you're cold. Right? You can put a facial expression if it's really cold, ooh, right? So just shake your fists and look like you're shivering, like you're cold. From the side, cold. From the other side, cold. From the front once again, cold. Okay, so sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Let's start from the rest position. Here we go. Sign with me. Here we go. Cold, cold, cold. So once again, we're going to use fists. Use both hands, same hand shape. Turn them in, put them about here, and just shiver. Cold. All right, we just talked about the sign for cold.